In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Hisense soundbar using an optical cable to your TV. Let's get started right away. If you don't have an optical cable, I'll put a link in the description towards Amazon so you can get one. So first of all, we need to go on the back of your soundbar. So on the back of your Hisense soundbar, you're gonna notice the optical connection is usually on the right side, the last one. You have auxiliary, USB, HDMI, and optical. So take one end of your optical cable. Make sure that there's no rubber protector tip. I know some people forget to remove them, and this is why it's not working. But yeah, here there's no protector, there's no cap. And simply align this cable to this connector, okay? So check the shape and make sure you put it the right way. All right, it should feel a small click, and you can even move it around and it should not come out easily. Now go on the back of your TV, and usually the optical connection is right over here. It's a bit different compared to the HDMI that are on the side, especially on this LG TV. So take the other end of your cable and simply connect it. Perfect. Turn on your soundbar if it's not already the case, and then we have to select optical. You can use the button over here. You see it's a square with an arrow pointing, or you have the same button on the remote control. Press on it until you hear optical.
Bluetooth, USB, aux, optical.
Okay, once you hear optical, turn on your TV. This is an LG TV. Maybe yours is slightly different. Go into the sound settings. So on this LG TV, I need to press the cogwheel to go on the settings, then go down. And where you see sound out, click on it. And then you need to switch between HDMI, Bluetooth, whatever, until you see optical out. Select optical out. You can select optical out and TV speaker, so you have both, or just optical out. And this is about it. Right now you can launch your TV show or music and the sound will come out of your soundbar. This is about it. There's nothing else that you need to do. Enjoy, and leave a comment, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.